Good morning, kids. I hope you enjoyed the story The Hoopla Champion. Yes, children, we should always take care of our friends. Yes, we should always help them out. We should always be caring towards them.
Today we'll do the other activities of the story. So let's start, children. So we'll do the words to know. Fate, affair. So मेले को कहते हैं fate, children. Hustle and bustle, busy, energetic activities. Yes, there is a lot of hustle and bustle on the road. होता है ना, सुबह गाड़ियाँ चलती है, बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, vegetables वाले रहते हैं. So that is what hustle and bustle is. Variety, different kinds of. Slideshows, small shows offering a game or fun activities. Attracted, to cause someone to like something. Hoopla, a game where a ring is thrown so that it falls on an object. Stall, a closed area in a market fair or fair. Penny, a small British coin. Spinning, moving round and round rapidly. Now be mindful. Spot the butterflies. Take a slow walk in the park today. Find yourself a quiet spot and sit. Sit there comfortably and look around. Notice the different trees, flowers, birds, and insects around the park. Now, spot the different butterflies and notice how beautiful colors and beautiful design on the wings are. Yes, children, you must have seen butterfly, right? आपको दिखता होगा ना कितनी सुंदर है, उसके विंग्स कितने सुंदर होते हैं एंड अलग अलग कलर्स में बटरफ्लाई होती है. जस्ट सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दे आर एंड वी ऑल आर ब्यूटिफुल इन आवर वेज, चिल्ड्रन. ओके, now question and answers. How much money did Sally pay for the hoops? So she pays 3 penny. Who asked her to pay the third who asked her to play for the third hoop? Joe asked her that I should do the third hoop. What prize did Joe get for Sally? Joe got a rag doll. How did Sally feel after getting the doll? She felt very happy and delighted. What was Joe's reward in the end? So mother gave Joe a what did mother give? So mother took Joe and Sally to a cake shop and she offered a cream bun to Joe. Now complete the sentence. Sally went with the mother to a fete. The crowd was attracted by variety of stalls. Sally came to a hoopla stall. She got the 3 hoops for 3 pennies. The second hoop landed on the man's head जो उनको खिला रहा था. Now tick the correct sentence. Sally let Joe throw the last hoop. Yes. Joe hooked a pretty teddy bear. No. Joe gave the teddy bear to Sally. No. Joe got a rag doll. Joe asked for a cream bun. Yes. Sally and Joe enjoyed in the fete. Yes. Now we share our environment with other living things and non-living things. Discuss how you can make this environment safe for all. So again, how are you going to make the environment safe? By caring for each other, by keeping the environment clean, right? So think about it and write here. Okay? Now we have Tony and Tutu children. I am so hungry, I can't find anything to eat. Hey, eat my grains. But you only have a handful of grains. What will you eat? I can't keep eating when you are hungry. Let's share. See how nice both friends are. So one is feeling hungry, the other one is saying, come you eat with me. So the bird is saying, you have only small portion, what I will eat? You will be hungry. So the monkey is saying that if you don't eat, how will I eat? So let's share. It is always fun, children, sharing with others and caring for others. Now the subject connect. Look at the word search. Find 5 words given the box that are important for sharing. So do you see these 5 words? Love, friendship, happiness, kindness and gratitude. You need to find these words in the box given below. So circle those words. Okay. Now value for life. We all are special. Fill in the following to show how God has made you special. So now you need to write this, children. God made me special. Write your name and then write about it. Okay. Now be wise. An orphanage is a house where children who don't have parents stay. When you share your old toys and clothes to an orphanage, you give them happiness. Make a list of things that you don't use anymore or want to give away to those in need. then ask your parents to help you to donate these things to children who are less fortunate. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Think of time when someone was kind and helpful to you that made you feel loved and cherished. Yes, children. I told you many times, children, orphanage is a place where children stays who don't have parents. See, we are so blessed that we have parents, we have people who love us, who gives us so much toys, food and everything. These kids are orphan, they don't have anybody to love them. So now you make a list of things that you don't need. List them out and ask your parents to come with you to an orphanage and donate children. थोड़ा बहुत भी आप डोनेट करेंगे, see, it will make such a big change in that person's life. He will always be happy kid. Okay, so because life is not just about receiving, it is about giving also, children. So follow this and try doing this, children. Okay, now there is a very nice activity for you today. Give 5 high five to your friends for the things they do for you. Draw your hand on the place on a sheet of paper. Make an outline with a pencil. Now write the things that your friend do for you on each finger. So give a high five and make your hand on the paper. और लिखिए कि आपके फ्रेंड आपके लिए 5 क्या अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें करते हैं. So do this when you have time, children. Okay, so this was all about sharing and caring, children. Learn from it. Donate things to children who are not fortunate like you, and give happiness to everybody. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye and take care.